Alright, so I ordered some parts from Rock Auto on Amazon for the Grand Prix, 98 Grand Prix. Needed a fuel cap. I got one. Done. Nice and easy. One thing done. Just a motor rad. MGC 834 10836 fuel cap. Boom. Done. I don't have a rear view mirror, but I'm gonna need a new windshield anyway, so this is not gonna get installed yet, but we got a rear view mirror for it. Now we just got a windshield first, then we can install that. I also bought a Wix fuel filter 33311 for the car. Just simple fuel filter. Put that back in the box for now. Good brand. Then we got some GM genuine parts here. We have a brake switch. Hopefully this fixes the shift interlock issue we're having. We'll see. And a new drain plug for when we change the oil in it. So, got some few parts right there. We also have power steering pump. GM part number 193-20080. Remanufactured power steering pump with reservoir. We're gonna replace that soon. Comes with some O-rings and stuff. We also have the lines for it. I don't have them here right now. I don't think. We got a window regulator here. A5GM123 LTF. That's gonna be left front, I believe. Then we got another one here. A5GM102 RTR. That's gonna be right rear window regulator. But we're gonna try to install these and see if we can get the windows working first. Alright, that's about it for now. I'm gonna put these on and see if we can get this car starting to fix it up. So, we got a 10mm. We're gonna loosen these up, loosen up the motor. That's gonna be the guide rail. We're gonna see where we're at. But this is we're doing the driver front first and going from there. Alright, got the old regulator off and the whole system. I'm about to put in the new one, and hopefully the window is all nice and straight. Alright, tightened it up, plugged it in, moved it up, and we got a working window. Nice. That's one window down. Time to do one more. Don't have a lot of room on the lift trying to do this, but I'm gonna take a Torx, undo this door card, and get access at this back window. Card is removed, just those two 2 T25 Torx. It is hot, but we're gonna take this apart, take apart the motor, lower it down, take everything off, and replace it with the new stuff. All right, new window, motor, and regulators in. Hey, look. We got power windows again in the rear. Time to leave it down because it's hot, even if we're in the garage. Awesome. Another piece done to the Grand Prix.